Hi everyone, my name is Parul. Welcome to my channel Parul English Lab. Today in this video, I'll talk about singular and plural nouns. It's easy to differentiate between singular and plural. We know what is singular, we know what is plural. But sometimes it becomes really difficult to differentiate between them. And it is confusing also because there are some singular nouns that sound plural and are used with plural verbs, and some nouns, they sound singular but they are actually plural. So when it comes to using these nouns, then we really get confused and we cannot differentiate between singular and plural nouns. So this is what we are going to do in this video. I'll tell you all about singular and plural nouns, and after watching this video, you will never ever have any confusion with these nouns. Before going ahead, please like and subscribe to my channel Parul English Lab and press the bell icon also so that every time I release a video, you'll get a notification of that. Now, let's get started. Where is my jeans? Or where are my jeans? Which one is correct? So the second one is correct. Where are my jeans? So the nouns like clothing, shorts, bloomers, tights, leggings, trousers, jeans, bell-bottoms, pants, capris, etc. These are all considered to be plural nouns. However, they are singular, but they are considered to be plural nouns because they are made of two parts. Like jeans, it's singular, but it has two parts. Two legs, so it has two parts. It is made of two different parts. So they are always considered to be plural nouns, and that's why they are used with plural verbs. So where are my jeans? Where are my pants? Not is. Same is the case with other plural nouns also. For example, glasses or sunglasses. However, it's one singular, but again it is made of two different parts. Two eyes, two glasses. Goggles, scissors, two parts. Scissors. Where are my scissors? Headphones. So these are all plural nouns because they are made of two different parts. There is one exception. These are all plural nouns, but when we use a collective noun, for example, a pair of scissors, then it's singular. A pair of scissors is missing. If you don't use a pair of, if you're only using scissors, then you will say my scissors are missing. But when you use a pair of scissors, my pair of scissors is missing. So in this case, you will use singular verb, not plural. This pair of jeans is nice. The pair of pants is odd. So whenever you're using it collectively as a collective noun, then you will use a singular verb. Otherwise, they are plural nouns. Now I'll tell you some nouns that are singular, but they sound plural. They look plural, however, they are singular. For example, news, measles, mathematics, rickets, billiards, etc. And there are many more. So the easiest way to memorize these singular and plural nouns is to categorize them. So first, let's look at the first category. Some subjects that end with S. Mathematics, social studies, economics, physics, etc. Physics is my favorite subject, not physics are my favorite subject, or mathematics is my favorite. Next category is few games. They sound plural but they are singular. For example, checkers, marbles, dominoes, etc. Next category is some diseases. They sound plural but again they are used with singular verbs because they are singular. For example, measles, mumps, rabies, etc. Rabies is a deadly virus, or rabies is a deadly disease. Now I'll tell you some nouns that sound singular but they are actually plural. For example, cattle, poultry, police, peasantry, gentry, etc. Cattle give us milk. not gives us milk. I've heard people saying cattle gives us milk. No, cattle, it's a plural noun. However, it sounds singular, but it's plural. So cattle give us milk. This is a nice place, and here the gentry are also very good. So gentry is good, that's incorrect. Gentry, it sounds singular, but it is actually plural. So here the gentry are very good. Police are coming in a few minutes. So police is incorrect. I have heard people saying police is coming in just a minute. It's incorrect. You can say police officer is on the way or the police officer is coming. But if you're using police, then it's a plural noun. Police are on their way or police are coming in a few minutes. Poultry. Poultry is again not singular, it's plural. Poultry are the birds like chicken, ducks, turkey, etc. They are bred for their eggs and meat. The poultry are kept in the yard, not is kept in the yard. The poultry are kept in the yard. Next is peasantry. Peasantry are the people who have low income, who are not educated and who have a small land and they grow crops on that. So these are all called peasantry. The local peasantry are going to vanish soon, not is going to vanish soon. So this way you can categorize these singular and plural nouns, and with practice you will never ever have any confusion with singular and plural nouns. I hope you understood all about nouns, singular and plural nouns, and how to differentiate between them. Now please practice, and if you have any doubts you can always mention in comment section, and please like and subscribe to my channel Parul English Lab, and don't forget to press the bell icon for future notifications. Thank you, take care, have a great day.